Hello friends, and welcome back to Gentle Herb Living, where we celebrate growing gardens that reflect your personality and creativity. If you've ever felt like your kitchen garden looks exactly like everyone else's, you're not alone. So many of us follow the same tips, use the same plants, and arrange our beds the same way because that's what we see online. But today, I'm going to show you how to break out of that mold and create a kitchen garden that's truly yours, one that feels inspiring every time you step outside. One of the simplest ways to make your space unique is to grow herbs that most people overlook. Sure, basil and mint are wonderful staples, but imagine the surprise when your guests discover fresh tulsi, lemon balm, or shiso tucked into your beds. These herbs not only taste incredible but also offer their own medicinal benefits and fragrances you won't find in a typical kitchen garden. They're easy to grow in small spaces and add a touch of the unexpected to your meals and teas. Another powerful way to personalize your garden is to design a herbal spiral bed. This is a raised circular mound built with rocks, bricks, or reclaimed wood. The spiral shape creates microclimates, dry at the top, moist at the base, so you can grow a variety of herbs in one compact space. Not only is this design efficient, but it becomes a beautiful focal point that sets your garden apart. If you have limited room, even a mini spiral in a large pot will give your space instant character. If you want to nourish your plants while adding your own creative touch, try making DIY compost tea. This simple homemade fertilizer is made by steeping finished compost in water for a couple of days. It's packed with beneficial microbes and nutrients that boost soil health and plant growth. Unlike store-bought products, your compost tea reflects exactly what you've put into your compost pile, making it unique to your garden ecosystem. Just strain it, dilute it, and use it to water your herbs. You'll see them thrive with a vitality that feels all your own. Another trick to create a garden that feels personal is to decorate your beds with natural dyes and homemade plant markers. Instead of generic plastic tags, gather smooth stones or reclaimed wood pieces, and paint them with names and little designs. You can even dye cotton twine with turmeric or beetroot to tie up plants or mark rows. These little details may seem small, but they infuse your space with your personality and make gardening feel more joyful. Finally, consider experimenting with companion planting combinations that aren't commonly used. For example, planting calendula among your basil and oregano not only attracts pollinators, but also adds splashes of color and helps repel pests. Combining herbs and flowers in your own way turns each bed into a living tapestry unique to your style. If you found these ideas inspiring, don't forget to subscribe to Gentle Herb Living and click the bell so you never miss more creative gardening tips. Share this video with friends who want to break out of the ordinary and create something truly special. Let's grow gardens that are as unique as we are.